Aviation Language Exam. Test of English for Aviation. TEA. What is TEA? TEA has been designed as a formal licensing proficiency test for pilots and air traffic controllers who need to meet the English language ECAO language proficiency requirements, LPRs. It is approved by many national aviation authorities. Fairness. TEA is supported by extensive experience and expertise, both linguistic and operational, by a substantial program of research, and by strict procedures in item design, test delivery, administration and security, examiner training and continuous monitoring of performance. For the purposes of satisfying the ECAO LPRs, it is unfair if a test requires any other skills than English language speaking or listening. TEA is only a test of speaking and listening. TEA is not a reading and writing test, a memory test, a test of operational procedure, an intelligence test, a logic test, a test of keyboard skills. Rather than using an automated system of test delivery, TEA is conducted on a one-to-one basis. ECAO Document 9835 states, direct, communicative proficiency tests of speaking and listening abilities are appropriate assessment tools for the aviation industry and will allow organizations to determine whether flight crews and air traffic controllers are able to meet the ECAO language proficiency standards. Design principles. The test design team, composed of both operational and language testing experts, produced general design principles. The test should be suitable for trained pilots and it goes. Elicit language to assess ECAO levels 1-6. Test plain English, in an aviation context, but not standard phraseology. Test language but not operational procedure. Allow production of multiple and standardized versions and be globally applicable. Be sufficiently secure for this high-stakes environment. Be relatively economic to administer. What is the format of the test? The format of the 25-30-minute test. Part 1, Work-related interview. Part 2, Interactive comprehension. Part 3, Description and discussion. The test format and task types are standardized. Every candidate is given an equal opportunity to demonstrate his/her language proficiency. Test tasks develop in complexity as candidate progresses through the test. Part 1, Interview. Is direct, a face-to-face discussion between the examiner and the candidate, contains set questions based on common, concrete and work-related topics, lasts 6½ 8 minutes. Initial questions serve as a warmer, topic-based questions are more complex. Gives the examiner initial impressions of the candidate. You will be asked a series of questions related to your role in aviation, and then to a specific aviation-related topic. There are no right or wrong answers. Show you understand the questions by responding to them directly and fully. The examiner will ask you further questions, to encourage you to talk more about some of the things you mention in your responses. Listen to this candidate answering some questions about his role in aviation. These questions are always about you, and your relationship to aviation.